Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so I just received this package. I'm super excited about it, so I thought I would jump on here, show you guys an unboxing, and of course, as you guys can tell from the title, it's a what's in my bag video. So if you guys just care about what's in the actual bag, then you can jump to this timestamp right here. Otherwise, I wanted to unbox it with you guys, tell you guys kind of the backstory of why I got it, blah, 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 etc. Okay? So this bag is from a company called Manui. I'm probably butchering that, but that is the name of the company. And they actually reached out to me and asked if I wanted to check out their products. This video is not sponsored by them, but they did offer to send me something if I was interested. So I was looking through their website and this bag really caught my eye. I'm so excited about it because I've never seen anything like it. And once I open it and I show you, you'll know why. Okay, so let me open it with you guys. So the box is quite nice. It's this like matte black box that you can use to put planner stuff in after or whatever you want. But I think I might like store old planner and I might store old planners and like planner pages and stuff in because I'm always looking for a big box and this one is quite nice. You could even like put something over it and put archive or something on it. It's just quite aesthetic. Okay. So I have been digital planning. If you guys follow me on my Instagram or seen some of my previous videos, you might know that. So I've been carrying my iPad mini to and from work, and I just started going back into the office recently. Before I was like work from home the whole time through COVID. And then now I'm going back. So I've been really needing to figure out my whole bag situation and how I'm gonna carry like the planners that I'm gonna use and whatnot, right? I have my main bag and I actually did a video of it. I'll link it up here, which I love that Teddy Blake bag. But yeah, so that's what I use to carry most of my stuff. But I thought it would be nice to have like kind of like a separate purse kind of bag for work. And check out this one. So this is called the Clio bag. Obviously, I'll link everything down below, the website information and the link to this bag. And I think they offer to give you guys a $20 discount, I believe. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. The leather is so soft. Oh my gosh. Wow. So this is me just opening it. My first reaction is, wow, this leather is so soft. So this is top grain leather. And wow, it is so, I cannot believe how soft it is. Okay, so it's kind of hard to show you. I probably have to show you from the top down view. I'll show you guys from the top down angle maybe. Wow, so I got the black. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. And it just looks like this on the front and the back. And what drew me to this is, let me just show you. So it has like a little handle at the top and two side things here to be able to attach a strap onto. And then it has these zippers. I'm really gonna have to show you in the top down view. So you can see from the top down view, like this huge compartment in the front that has, hopefully you guys can see, that has all of the card pockets. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. And then two zipper pockets. Wow, and like you can just tell the zippers are such good quality. It's like kind of like this canvasy material. Not canvas, clothy material. There's even a spot to put your pens. If you once you get to the what's in my bag section of the video that you can scroll through the time bar below to get to, you'll see all the stuff that I can put in here, but oh my God. And it has this key holder thing. See how it just opens and closes like that, so you could put your key on here so you never lose your key, and then it's elasticized so that you can just pull it out, open the door, and put it back in. How cool is that? Okay, so that is not the part that that drew me to this bag. The part that drew me to this bag was this back flap. Okay, So what this back flap does is you can open it like this. Okay, and this is meant to put your iPad in. Is that not so cool? Okay, so I have my iPad mini right here. And what it's meant to do is you can either, hopefully you can see it from the top down view, but you can stand it like this at the different angles based on these little leather straps. And then you can use this to like as a stand to watch your iPad, or you can put it inside the bag using these straps here, and then it kind of holds your iPad in place. Is that not so cool? And then these kind of things, you know, buckle here if you want it to make it more of like a pouch, or you can have it open like this if you want to use it to watch your iPad. Is that not like the coolest thing you've ever seen? I have never seen a bag like this. Look how cool that is. Okay, that is just so neat. And then it looks like this when you carry it. So you could carry it like a little tote if you wanted to. But of course, we're gonna put in the straps. And I'll show you a little screenshot here, a little video of me wearing this and how it looks on, just so you guys can see that. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then the other thing, the other way you can wear it is like as a belt strap at the back here with this thing. I don't think I would wear it like that because it's a bit too big for that. But wow, I love it. I love the black and gold hardware. They do have this in different colors. They have like a lighter brown and also a darker brown. Wow, that is just so pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna fill it up and then I'll show you what I'm gonna be keeping in my bag that I'll be probably bringing to work, but probably on the weekends too, since it's really versatile. Okay guys, so let me show you what is in this bag. Oh my gosh, I am loving it. And I also have to say that after putting on the strap and stuff, I love the different sizes that it has. It's literally the perfect sized strap length to have it crossbody, to have it over the shoulder. I just am so obsessed with it. Okay, so let's start with that sweet back pocket. So if I open this up, oh my gosh, okay, I'm so excited. So first I put my iPad mini here. And so the iPad mini is about the same as a B6 notebook. So let me do a comparison for you. This is a B6 Stalogy, and you'll see it's pretty much the exact same. And I could actually even fit a notebook on top of my iPad, and it'll still zip. If you're a digital planner and you want to also bring a notebook, or if you just like want to bring a book, right? Like if you just like to read, or your Kindle, or you're a book-bound planner and maybe you're B6 size or smaller, that can fit here. Like, is this not like already a planner's dream? So I have my pencil tucked in here. Oh, this is not the Apple pencil. This is actually a dupe that I bring with me when I'm out on the go, because I've lost the Apple pencil before and like it made me super upset that I was losing a $200 pencil. So I bring this dupe. It's amazing. Highly recommend. I'll link it down below. But yeah, so that just fits there. And I told you about how you can stand the bag up and like have this act as the stand for your iPad if you're watching shows. I have 2 young girls, and so like this is a dream to have this in case we're out and about and like they're fussing about and like I just want to give them a show for a little bit. I'm so terrible. Yeah, so that's that. Oh my gosh, so happy about that. Then the other cool thing is that there's this big pocket here, and I'm so excited because it fits this little keyboard. I'll link this keyboard down below, but I got this from AliExpress along with like a case that it came in, but I don't really use the case because I have the Apple one. But I do use this little keyboard and it fits in here. So now I like literally kind of have like a little computer on the go with me, and it just slots in perfectly. Then with the Apple Pencil, like, oh, I'm so happy. I literally have this with me wherever I go, which just makes me, oh my God. I have no words for how happy I am to have found this bag. Is that not so cool? Okay, so let me close this. So that's what it's in this part. And then here's the front section. Oh my gosh, this leather is just so soft. It's crazy. So in this pocket, let's go through. Oh my gosh, there are so many card holders. Okay, so let me move my phone here. So this is an iPhone 12 mini. So if you have something bigger than that, it'll probably have to sit horizontal. It won't be able to like sit upright like mine is. And otherwise you could just like slot it in this front pocket that we didn't talk about. But of course, yeah, this would be an easily accessible pocket if you like have your bag closed. So that's always nice to have an outer pocket. So that's that. And then it has so many card slots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then there's a few more here. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And 2 of them are like ID kind of holders. I don't know why you'd like care to have it be see-through in here, but whatever floats your boat. So that's that. So many pockets. Then I love how it has 2 pen holders. I swear this bag was like made for planners, like or people who like to plan, because like it has the pen holders. This is a Uniball 1. This is probably the max size I would go in here, like otherwise it'll be too snug. So I have the Uniball 1 as reference. So nothing thicker than that for a barrel size. And then I also had the Friction Slim that obviously slots in really easily because it's so skinny. And then there's 2 of these kind of pockets here. So I just put like a tissue box here and then like maybe sanitizer in this one. And then back here was the card slots, and there's another zipper here. And these zippers are amazing. It's not, I don't know if it's called canvas or nylon or whatever, but it's very sturdy feeling. Then inside it just has some girl things. If you guys want to carry those and, you know, conceal it kind of thing, that would be a perfect pocket. I mean, a lot of us are girls here, so it's okay to share that, right? It's a part of life. Oh, and then this, I didn't put my keys on here yet, but I just absolutely love how that works. Like, it's very sturdy. Slot on your keys, chuck it in here. Like, the worst thing is looking for your keys. I don't know, I hate it. Like, digging through the bottom of your bag to find your keys is awful. This way you can just keep it on here. It's like elastic, so you can just pull it out, open your door, and put it back in, which is amazing. Then there's 2 more pockets in the middle here. You can put, like, I just put a mask in this one, and then in this one you could put like some makeup stuff or whatever, is what I think I will fill that up with. And that's just what it looks like. Is that not the best? Oh my gosh, and I love the black and gold hardware. It's so classy, so pretty, really good quality. If you guys are looking for a bag for your planners, or if you're a digital planner, or if you like to read and you like to carry your Kindle around, or you like to carry a physical book around, this is the bag for you. Oh my gosh, I am so happy with this bag. Okay, I'll link all the details below. There will be a discount for you down below if you're interested. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.